On that same note, I would like to ask you because I love both of you. I love you. I love Sheebah. Where does the battle start from?
The whole thing started as a misunderstanding, and then it just graduated into nonsense. But
Ye omuyimbi Cindy avuddeyo n'atubuulira ensonga lwaki ye ne Sheebah beewalana, byatandika bitya, byajja bitya, byonna ngenda kuba mbibawa wano eno. Naye nga gwe wena tanaba subscribinga mukwano nkusaba sooka subscribinge wano eno, komeranke news, liking eno video, sharinga, commentinga, teekako notification bell, ako akadde wenteekayo videos babeere nga tozisibwa ba returning subscribers. Mbagala nnyo ak'ensuso kyemukola kyakabi nnyo baddiya, era mbasaba temujjango okwo bamikwano. Munnange Cindy yavuddeyo n'atubuulira ensonga lwaki ye ne Sheebah beewalana n'okutuuka okukola battle. Byonna byava ku ki? Byatandika bitya? Nsonga yali ki? Nsonga ya musajja. Anti mumanyi abakyala ababiri bwe bakyankalana ebiseera ebisinga abantu kye basooka okulowooza bwe yayinza okuba musajja kyaka bayagadde ku omu. Naye munnange okusinziira ku Cindy avuddeyo n'atutegeeza n'atugamba nsonga ndala, nsonga teziriimu basajja ng'abamu bwe bayinza okulowooza. Nagamba ensonga zatandika nga misunderstanding naye ne bivaamu empalana eyaddala, empalana n'ekulira ddala, ng'ate ebyo byonna byava ku ttiimu ya Sheebah, ebyo byonna byava ku ttiimu ya Sheebah. Bagendako oba yali radio oba TVM, waliwo gye baali babayise ne bagamba nno Cindy dead artist, kwegamba artist eyafa. Era Cindy yavuddeyo n'agamba nno omuntu eyayogera ekyo ekigambo bamuyita Alan, yali ku management ya Sheebah, naye nga Sheebah ye kennyini teyavaayo n'ayogera ekintu kyonna. N'agamba ebyo byandibadde awo ne biggwa, naye Sheebah nga ye yandivuddeyo ne yeeyogerako like ne yeedifendinga, n'agamba oba banene abantu sinze yabatumye sibimanyiiko, tewali kyemanyi ku ezo ensonga ze baayogeddeko. Naye yasalawo asirike, yasalawo asirike. So munnange webityo we byatandika, empalana n'ekulira ddala paka n'okutuuka okukola battle. Eyo battle eyaliwo ogwo omwaka oguwedde. Munnange byonna byava eyo, tezaali nsonga za basajja. Era munnange yayogedde bingi n'abinnyonnyola bulungi nnyo, yaneme kubeera nga mbimwogerera byonna. Ngenda kuba mbateerako wano eno ka video mumwewulirireko ye kennyini ng'abinnyonnyola bulungi nga bwe byatandika, byonna nga bwe byali. So baddiya, ka video kaakano nina okuba nkabalekerako mukalabe naye nga mbeere bulungi, mweraba.
I would like to ask you because I love both of you. I love you. I love Sheebah. Where does the battle start from?
the whole thing started as a misunderstanding, and then it just graduated into nonsense. But ideally, at first, I was at a radio station, and I was at a TV station, and I was asked a question, just the same way I go to a radio station, Crystal Panda nambuze ebibuzo ne bifuukira ekizibu. This TV, Kazora Namboza, he was like, if there was a battle between you and this chick, would you do it? I'm like, yeah, you understand? Like, why not? Because for me at that time, there was no rivalry, there was nothing. It was just like our songs are always on the countdown together. You understand? I'm number one today, she's number one tomorrow. You understand? Like we were always, our music was always at the top together. But personally, we had no issues with each other. So ngagamba, would you battle it out? I'm like, yeah, I would battle it out. For me, nganjogerera kusaidia a business sense. You understand? Like this would be nice for the industry because nalinda Bobby Wine ne Bebe Cool babikola asima. You understand? Like abanene bageza kukola battles ne bakola mu sente. I'm like, yeah, I'll definitely do it. It was nothing personal. So we talk about Chogera. Of course, it spread like a wildfire, like a lot of my interviews do. And then And then, yeah, when her team got wind of the interview, they went on TV and said that I'm a dead artist. You understand? Like, how artist yafadda nawe mugezaako okuzuukiza omulambo. That's what you're trying to do. But that's a dead artist. She died a long time ago. Now that is when I got pissed off. You
So
understand? That's when
hold on, King. When you say her team, who in particular are you talking about that went on the show and then said you're dead?
Because Jeff Getakola interviews, right?
Yeah.
So there was that other guy. What is his name? That other guy, other guy, he looks like he's sick. He was part of the team. Yalingane Jeff all the time. Bali batambulanga wamu. Now I expected her, as somebody that I knew, okuvayo nakolachi. I don't know, chip in a word or something, say something nice or say something kind. And then there was no answer, and for me I took that as an insult. So that is how the whole thing began, So if you have an artist, and I know I mentored this person, I know in the very beginning I gave my time. That was not paid for, that I did not benefit in any way, but I gave my time to this person, to make sure that they get somewhere. I tried the best that I could, wrote a song, spent a couple of months with this person just to, it's called Alan Chiwa. Somebody mentioned the name here. It's Alan who went on TV and said, artist Romuliko Yafa. You understand? So, so I thought after mentoring your person and delivering a product, and then now you turn back and diss me. You understand? So for me, it was like a slap in the face. I'm like, I'm not going to take this. You understand? And that is how I came, and that is how the whole situation began.